What's up guys, Ricardo with Phastek Performance. Today I'm here to show you guys how to install the ACS side rockers for the 2016 Camaro. Now these side rockers are the painted version in a gloss black. They are also offered in a primer finish for those custom paint jobs you guys might have. Now these side rockers are going to install using the supplied hardware, which are a couple of rivets. We will need a rivet gun to put those in place, a couple of clamps to help us hold these side rockers in place while we're under the car, and a 3/16 drill bit to get the holes made on the factory panel. Now we're going to go ahead and crawl under there. As you guys can see, I have the car jacked up. We'll crawl under there and get these installed. Now that the side rocker is where we want it, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and pick two holes, and I'm going to get those as my starter points. Well, I'm going to drill those two holes, put rivets in them, and then we'll go ahead and start and fill in the rest. Alright guys, now here we are on the passenger side. Now the installation is going to be exactly the same as the driver's side. We're going to go ahead and take the side rocker, lay it up right where we want it, put our clamps in place, drill our holes, put the rivets on, snap those down, and we'll go ahead and complete the installation of the side rocker. That's a lot of rivets. All right guys, now that we got all the rivets in place, now we can go ahead and drop the car, clean these side skirts up a little bit, and enjoy the new look of our Camaro.